नमस्कार, मी नीलिमा कदम. इयत्ता 6वी मॅथ्स स्टँडर्ड 6. आजचा घटक आपण बघणार आहोत डिव्हिजिबिलिटी, विभाज्यता. बालमित्रांनो, व्हॉट इज डिव्हिजिबिलिटी? विभाज्यता म्हणजे काय? या ठिकाणी 8 या संख्येला 4 ने भागल्यानंतर 8 divided by 4. If 8 is divided by 4, here 4 2s are 8 and answer will be 0. So here we are getting this whole number and the remainder is 0. So when we divide a number by another number, if the remainder is 0, then that number is divisible by the other number. So when dividing by a certain number, we get an answer as a whole number and remainder is 0. This is divisibility. Divisibility म्हणजे काय? या ठिकाणी थोडंसं आपण काही पोएट्री मधून, काही गाण्यामधून समजून घेऊया. Divisibility rules are good to know. With them, division is not that slow. See here, with them, division is not that slow. Check the end digits or their sum every time. Check the end digits or their sum every time to check their divisibility by 2, 3, 5, 10 or 9. See here, why these divisibility rules are important and how they help us. This is explained in this only in 4 lines. It is explained very well manner. See here, divisibility rules. There are some rules that we are going to study. So divisibility rules are good to know. It is necessary to learn these rules. Why? So that with them division is not that slow. Means the operation of division becomes fast. We can perform easily the division method. It is becoming fast. So with the help of divisibility rules, division is not slow, means it becomes fast. Now what are that rules? Check the end digits or their sum every time. You have either you check the end digits or the sum of the digits in that number, and with these only 2 rules, that is checking the end digits and making the sum of the digits in the number, we can check divisibility by 2, 3, 5, 10 or 9. So dear friends, it is so easy and so simple, right? तर बालमित्रांनो, या विभाज्यतेच्या कसोट्या आहेत. यामुळे भागाकाराची क्रिया जी आहे ही फास्ट होणार आहे आणि आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे तर फक्त एकक स्थानचे अंक किंवा दिलेल्या संख्येतील अंकांची बेरीज एवढंच आपल्याला करायचं आहे आणि त्याच्या मदतीने आपण divisibility test, that is 2, 3, 5, 10 or 9 we can find out. आपण विभाज्यतेच्या 2 कसोट्या 2, 3, 5, 10, 9 या संख्येसाठी बघू शकतो. So dear friends, let's go. बालमित्रांनो, 3,56,821. Here is a number 3,56,821. My dear friends, can you tell by just looking at this number if it is divisible by 2? Can you? Just take a chance. By 5. Only looking at this number, can you tell that this number is divisible by 5? or by 10 or by 3 or by 9? Is it possible? Yes. My dear friends, is it possible? I have asked you. Yes, it is possible. Just looking at this number, that is 3,56,821. The big number it is, but only by just looking at this number, we can surely say that if this number is divisible either by 2 or by 5 or by 10 or by 3 or by 6 or by 9 or by 4. How? Yes, the divisibility rules can help you. Okay? तर बालमित्रांनो, विभाज्यतेच्या कसोट्या आपल्याला मदत करू शकणार आहे की एवढ्या मोठी ही संख्या आहे, ही एवढी मोठी संख्या ही 2 ने किंवा 3 ने किंवा 4 ने 5 ने 6 ने नाही, हे फक्त या संख्येकडे बघून ठरवण्यासाठी आपल्याला विभाज्यतेच्या कसोट्या मदत करू शकणार आहेत. सो लेट्स गो फॉर इट. राइट? सो डिअर फ्रेंड्स, एखादी संख्या जेव्हा विभाज्य आहे असे आपण म्हणतो, म्हणजेच काय? तर जेव्हा एका संख्येला दुसऱ्या संख्येने भाग जातो, जसं मी तुम्हाला आता सांगितलं, 8 या संख्येला आपण 4 ने भागलो, तर ती संख्या म्हणजे 8 ही संख्या 4 या संख्येने विभाज्य आहे असे म्हणतो, कारण भाग गेलेला आहे, बाकी 0 आहे. 8 is divisible by 4. Okay? So, similarly, 24 divided by 8. Now, 24 is divisible by 8 and the remainder is 0. And therefore, we can say that 24 is divisible by 8. Only when the remainder is 0, then only we can say that the particular number is divisible by other number. Okay? Dear friends, it is very easy. Divisibility test for 2. If a number is even, means at units place, if there are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these numbers, these digits are there, then that number is always divisible by 2. For example, 128, at units place, 8 is there. See here, at units place, 8. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2. 129, at units place, there is 9 and this is an odd number. Therefore, 129 is not divisible by 2. Divisibility test for 5. एकक स्थानी 0 किंवा 5 हे अंक असतील तर त्या संख्या 5 ने विभाज्य असतात. If the digit in the ones place of the number is either 0 or 5, the entire number is divisible by 5. For example, see here in number 785, at the units place or ones place, 5 is there. 1980, at the ones place, digit 0 is there. Therefore, this number is divisible by 5. 1980 is also divisible by 5. But 5348, the ones place, 8 is there. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 5. Similarly, 134 is not divisible by 5. Divisibility test for 10. ज्या संख्येच्या एकक स्थानी 0 हा अंक असतो त्या संख्या 10 ने विभाज्य असतात. If the digit in the ones place of the number is 0, the entire number is divisible by 10. So, it's very easy test. 3,460, 350, 300, these numbers are divisible by 10. divisibility test for 3. Let's try some more examples. Now test is there, sum of the digits in a number. Now here are some numbers and we have to see whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Let's try. Now what is the test? Sum of the digits in a number. So 25. So we have to add the digits in the number, that is 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. Now is 7 is divisible by 3? No. And therefore 25 is not divisible by 3. Next, 453. Add the digits in the number, that is 4 plus 5 plus 3. So what is the addition? Yes, 12. Now 12, you know that 12 is divisible by 3 and therefore 453 is divisible by 3. Dear students, is it very simple? There is no need of doing division. Otherwise, we have to see 453 divided by 3. No need of doing all these things. Only we have to add the numbers and see whether they are divisible by, the sum is divisible by 3. Again here we can 2 plus 1, 3. So this is also, again it becomes very simple. Now 3 is divisible by 3. Therefore this number is divisible by 3. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 12. Again this number is divisible by 3. 355. 3 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 13. Now 13, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4, and 4 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 355 is not divisible by 3. 8935. Sum of the digits, 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5. How much it is? 25. Now 5 plus 2 again, it becomes 7. Now this is also not divisible by 3 and therefore 8935 is not divisible by 3. Okay? Dear students, you can do for these sums. Here are the sums for practice. You can, what we have to do? Suppose I am taking the number 1332. What we have to do? Only add the numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. So total will be how much? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore this number is divisible by 3. Next number I will take 104. Suppose 104 I have taken. So try this number 104. So what we have to do? 1 plus 0 plus 4, and that is equal to how much? 5. And you know that 5 is not divisible by 3 and therefore 104 is not divisible by 3. Got it? So dear friends, try for the other numbers and see whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. So dear friends, today we have learned this divisibility test, and with the help of this divisibility test, you can solve in a short period of time whether the given number is divisible by particular number, and this divisibility test will help you to solve the examples in scholarship examination also. So thank you.